Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my newest Dior edition bag, whatever. I'm so excited. I honestly, I'm so excited to film this video. So if you're interested in seeing an unboxing of an amazing Dior product, then keep on watching. So you guys, holy crap. Oh my God. So before I start this video, I just want to say a lot of people question how I buy my stuff, what I do for a living, is my husband okay, the things that I buy, because I buy such expensive skincare and I buy expensive fashion, and I just want to clear this up before I begin. I save my money for everything that I have. Sometimes it takes me a year, 2 years to afford and save for the things that I really want. Just so happens the things that I really want are like skincare and like fashion. That's just how I am. That's just who I was when I was just like a young girl. I just always loved fashion and beauty. The things that I value, I understand that a lot of people wouldn't. A lot of people don't see a reason why people have to spend so much money on fashion or bags or skincare or anything. And you guys, it's my passion, it's my hobby. And if you're wondering if my husband is okay with it, we discuss every purchase before I buy it. And yes, he is okay with it. He has his own hobbies as well. And obviously I have mine. I just like to shout my hobbies from the rooftops on social media where, you know, I just get a lot of personal questions from people I personally know, that just want to know. And it's I don't know. I save a lot, I do a lot, and I'm very patient when it comes to big purchases. So you guys, I've been obsessed with Dior lately. I don't know. I love my Chanel, I love my Dior, but I needed a new something. So this gigantic, it doesn't even fit in the camera, this gigantic box, oh, this is insane. Okay, so they brought this out in the store. The bag is bigger than me. I've never been more proud of my entire life. So I'm gonna just bring out the box. Now you guys, I did bring this home and I did unwrap it to show my husband, but normally, when I first bought it, this box was tied with satin Dior ribbon that I do have in the bag. Tied it like a beautiful Christmas present bow. It was gorgeous, but I was so anxious to show my husband. I did unbox it. However, I've yet to wear the bag. So we're gonna just pop open. Oh my. I'm so excited to be doing this unboxing finally because I've been dying to wear my bag. So it comes, you know, you unwrap it like so. This is my new bag. Hello. Hi, how are you? It is the Christian Dior Tote in this print that is new. It's called the Toile Jouy. I'm gonna pronounce it wrong. I don't want to sound like an idiot. Here is my bag. I'm this is gorgeous. Gorgeous. I can't even put into words how amazingly stunning this bag is. Okay, so when you first look at it, it does not look like much on camera. You're like, okay, that's cute. It's like a tote, right? It's like a shot. And this is a tote, but the embroidery work on this is honestly art. All of this is stitched and all of this is raised. This is not canvas. This is I want to say a cotton, and before we all panic, yes, it is cotton. No, it is not leather. I did not want leather this time. Leather has its own drawbacks. Leather is fantastic, but leather also has its own drawbacks, and I really just loved the artwork of this bag. The art, just the way it is embroidered, just with all of this detail, this is all sewn in. And I love this outline here, and it's just absolutely stunning. So you're not paying for leather with this bag, you really are paying for the design and the embroidery work. So then at the bottom, it's also designed and you have this tiger at the bottom. I don't know why people don't talk about that more because that's sickening. And then of course you have the monkeys and the trees, and this is what the back looks like. Obviously there's nothing going on other than amazing detail work. But a lot of people with this bag is they like embroider their name here. I don't know if I should do that. You guys let me know what you think. I'm just a little worried about doing that because if I do write like Morgan Talks or like Morgan Craft Jack on here, if I ever go to resell this, it might obviously ruin my resale value. And as I said, I am not rich, so I do have to sell to buy sometimes. And like, that's just like my reality, and I'm proud to admit that. You guys, if you're wondering what this is on here, this is from my last Dior video. It's what I got for Christmas. It's my Dior Mitza, and of course you wrap the Mitza scarves around the top handles, and then it says like Christian Dior here, which like we are obsessed with. And usually people, they would buy like the blue Mitza scarf for the blue bag, but I had pink, and when I was speaking to the SA, she didn't want to do it. She's like, oh, this is pink, it won't go. And I was like, no, seriously, like just put it on. And she put it on, she's like, oh my God, like this looks so good. Like, thanks for like making me do this for you. I was like, yeah, like never be afraid to like explore with color. Just because you have a blue bag does not mean you need to get a blue silk to go on the handle. Like mismatch things, put colors together. It's all beautiful anyway. It's freaking Christian Dior. It's gonna look amazing no matter what. I did get it in the large version. There was a small book, this is actually called their book tote. There was a small book tote and then a bigger book tote, and I kind of had to like, I don't want to say fight for this, but I had to like hustle for it because I did buy it before the Dior 30% price increase, like the day before. And there was only a small tote available, but this was actually on hold for another client with no down payment. So I was able to get them to sell this to me because I was like, guys, I'm willing to just like buy this and walk out now. So if there's no down payment on this bag, like, please, like, I will buy it now. And thank God I got to walk out with the bag, and it was honestly just like, it's so, for me, it is very magical buying luxury designer products. I have so much respect for these brands. The House of Christian Dior is amazing. And it's just, I wasn't expecting to love this bag as much as I do. And of course, all the detailing is like on the side. And the interior, now don't panic, but the interior does not have any compartments. That doesn't particularly bother me, and I'm going to tell you why. Because these tote bags, that you can buy them bag organizers, and it's actually like a felt interior with all these different things that you can put in it. Now, before we all get like super like, oh, it should come with compartments and this and that, some people don't want compartments for these bags. Like some people, rich people or anybody, they might want to just use this as their gym bag, or might just want to use this as like a beach bag. Like they might not want the interior zippers, and they might want to stuff it with towels and sun cream, and that's like cool too. Me, this is definitely going to be an all year round bag for me. I do understand that this is kind of like a summer bag, but guys, I like glow, and I'm like, I glow all year round. Like, you guys know how I am. So I'm just so proud of this, and I'm so overwhelmed with joy that I finally have this bag as part of my collection. If you're wondering why I didn't get the Dior Oblique, which is more classic, and it like increased by like $600 after the price increase, like that one increased more than this one because I believe this is seasonal. But it's just the type of person I am. Like, first of all, I didn't really like the way the Oblique looked on me. I think it's a gorgeous bag. And if you could like I love how I'm like, oh, the Dior Oblique didn't work on me, but you know, the tigers and the monkeys did. Like, I can't with myself. Guys, I just really liked it. I just really, really love this bag. And like, as I said, I just cannot wait to start wearing it. I do want to give you guys like an up close, because want to know who inspired me to really, this comes in pink, and of course I wanted the pink, but like I need to take it easy on pink bags. Trisha Paytas actually showed this bag on her channel. I was like, that is such a pretty bag. And when I saw the price, you know, because the price for the small book tote is $3,000. And when I saw that, I was like, I'm not doing that. It's like I just can't do it. So I really wasn't anticipating buying this, but when I saw it in person, the art that goes into this bag is something that I appreciate so much. And like, I just had so much respect for what I saw in front of my eyes, if that makes sense, that I just was like, no, that's a beautiful, beautiful piece that I really would feel honored to have as part of my collection. And just out of respect, I just think Christian Dior like really brought the tote game. And if you want something that's like I don't want to say flashy, even though it is quite like a flashy bag. Like I feel like it's definitely like a unique bag. But if you appreciate design and you appreciate craftsmanship and like just art in general, seriously, go and see this bag in person and you will be blown away. At least I can say I was. And I loved it. I ended up getting it in the size bigger. It was only like $100, $150 more to get the bigger size. And I was like, I'm like 5'2", so big bags look really big on me, but I just didn't care. I was like, this is gonna be for my laptop. This is gonna be for like my life, literally, like, cause I'm a vlogger. Like 9 times out of 10, I have a ton of stuff I bring with me everywhere. I have my camera, I have my tripod, obviously my phone, I have my keys and stuff. Sometimes I wanna bring my laptop. There's just a lot of things that I need to bring with me places. And it's just time for me to start utilizing a book tote. And before I started utilizing a tote, I needed to get Christian Dior. I mean, I don't know. Everybody, thanks so much for tuning into this video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and my little spiel on like why I love this bag so much. If you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe to my channel. We're always talking about mostly luxury skincare, but of course I always share my luxurious buys with you guys. For us, self-care is priceless, and it's something that we just truly embrace on this channel without judgment because people like what they like, and I believe that everyone should just appreciate and support one another. And if this is something that you may not be interested in, that's fine. You know, everybody's different, and that's what I think is so beautiful about designer things. Everyone has their own designer house that they love. People don't even like designer. There are some people who are like, really, I can literally go to Target and just buy whatever I want and keep it moving. We love those people too. We love everybody. But if you're interested in seeing these products and luxury skincare, hop on over to my channel for free and just be entertained. Also, follow me on Instagram for updated skincare routines, updated photos of my bags and outfits throughout the week. It's just super fun. I'm super active in my stories if you're interested in that. Everybody, thank you so much. Have a fashionable, luxurious, proud day. Love you. Bye.